Welcome to class!
Let's review this book. Together let's take a look. Would you buy it or would you leave it? Let's review this book. Let's review this book. Together let's take a look. Would you like to keep it or would you let it go? Tell me in the comments below. Does it make the world a better place? Does it put a smile upon Mother Nature's face? Is it helping the animals to be free? Will it help us grow our empathy? Let's review this book. Together let's take a look. Would you like to keep it or would you let it go? Tell me in the comments below.
Take a second to subscribe. This book is called Simple Happy Kitchen. It's an illustrated guide for your plant-based life. It's written by somebody named Mickey Moats. Inside she writes that this book is dedicated to my beloved cats who made me realize that every creature is a whole world, and to all the exploited animals out there. I'll never stop trying to change the world for you. When we open up the book here, it says, why go plant-based? Now, I don't like this term. It should say plant-exclusive, because plant-based implies that it is based on plants, but that there could be other ingredients in there. That's not okay. The word vegan should be used also. But let's have a look at what's going on here. When we look closer, she writes, you should go vegan for sustainability, wildlife, the rainforests, compassion, our water, peace, the animals, the yummy food, our planet, and our health. And all of this is true. Being vegan is the right thing to do. Over here she has a page called Shattering the Myths. Let's read what some of these say. Vegans are destroying the rainforests to make tofu. Actually, if anyone's destroying the rainforests, it's the animal farming industry. Most of the land cleared in the Amazon is used as pasture land for animals raised for food, not for growing soybeans. In fact, the vast majority of soybeans grown worldwide are used to feed animals grown for food. Let's look at another one down here. Sometimes people will say, but a vegan diet will make me too weak for sports. Are world champion powerlifters, NFL stars, and MLS players weak? No. Many successful athletes follow a vegan diet. They found it doesn't hinder their performance. It actually helps. Before we continue, go and get yourself a delicious fruit snack.
Go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
Here's another one. Sometimes people think that they need to drink cow's milk for strong bones. Don't fall victim to milk marketing hype. We do need calcium and vitamin D, but milk doesn't have a monopoly on these nutrients. You can drink soy milk or oat milk instead.
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how.
Later in the book, you can see that she has some pages dedicated to calcium and also to bones, what's good for your bones, and calcium-rich meal plan ideas. So you don't need to worry about where to get your calcium or your iron. She's got a lot of resources in here. Essentially, you have Google, and you can also just look there online if you're not sure. Just Google delicious vegan recipes. Make sure, of course, that you do take your B12. So in the beginning, I asked whether you would buy this book with the opening song, and the truth is that, well, I own this book, so I do recommend it. It's extremely colorful and cute, which is exactly my style. She talks here about iodine, magnesium, selenium, everything, phosphorus, potassium. She also talks about omega-3 and omega-6. These are really interesting things to note. This is why I eat chia seeds. throughout the day. I eat them most mornings. I also eat walnuts every morning. I eat flax seeds every morning. I also have hemp seeds. So omega-3 fatty acids are good kinds of fatty acids. There's also a page here just about fiber, which is so essential. Meat does not contain fiber. Dietary fiber is defined as non-digestible carbohydrates, and it's only found in plants. It offers multiple benefits for the body. Increasing fiber intake reduces the risk of several chronic conditions, including cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers. It's also been associated with lower body weight, because when you have a diet with lots of fiber in it, you feel full much earlier and you don't end up overeating. Here's a cute page with some toilet paper. Know your dietary fiber. Cooked lentils, 8 grams in half a cup. Cooked beans, 7.5 grams of fiber in half a cup. Cooked lima beans, 6.5 grams in half a cup. Cooked broccoli, 5.5 grams in half a cup. That's fiber. So if you get this book, you'll be able to use this as a resource and look up all the different kinds of foods and how much fiber they have in them. I really like this. What do you guys think? I want to take a second to show you some tofu here. Many people seem to not know what tofu is. Now, most people don't eat it straight like this because it doesn't taste like much. But the thing is that if you start your children when they're young to eat tofu just like this without anything on it, it is so easy to create school lunches and snacks for them. For example, when I was a teacher, there was this young girl. She was in grade 3, and her mom always put tofu in her lunch, just like this, completely plain, just a whole bunch of little squares, and she would eat it, and she said she'd been eating it since she was really little. So that's what you can do. Easy. Wonderful way to get all the nutrients that you need. Plants have protein, and so does tofu. Tofu doesn't scream. You can also add a little bit of salt and pepper if you want to, but I'm fine with it. I like it just like that, and so do my grandkids. Now let's look at a section that shows us how much water is needed to produce meat. How much water is needed to produce 1 pound of food? How many gallons of water to produce, for example, tomatoes? 25 gallons to produce 1 pound. For broccoli, 34 gallons. For oranges, 64. Apples, 98. Peaches, 109. For chickpeas, 250. Tofu, 301. Lentils, 320. Vegetables and fruits take a lot less water, a lot less gallons of water. When we start getting into animal products like cheese, that starts to take a lot more. And eggs and chicken. Remember that chickens are not food. Chickens are friends. It takes a lot of water, a lot of resources if we want to grow chickens into food. Butter also, because it comes from the cycle of violence, it is the dairy industry. There we have to feed the cows to make them huge. Takes a lot of water to clean out the barns, or the factory farms rather. Whenever you eat bacon or sausage or ham, that also takes a lot of water. A lot of gallons of water. So you're far better off to just eat the plants directly and save water, which helps to save the planet. Every time you eat a burger, that requires the most water of all. Poor cow. Doesn't want to be eaten. You guys can be vegan. Subscribe and I'll show you how.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.